Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to film this humongous box from GlobeIn. This is my first time filming in my office, so I don't know the sound quality yet. I have a directional microphone, but it is now pointing directly to a window instead of a wall. So just bear with me a little bit for this video and we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it's picking up my voice and nothing else. But let's talk about GlobeIn. GlobeIn is a monthly subscription box and they come out with 4 or 5 new different themes each month, and mine this time is, I think I picked like a green thumb planting girl theme. I don't have a green thumb, but we're hoping that some of these tools are gonna help a girl out. It is a fair trade company. Everything is handmade from artisans around the world. You will never find these items in another box, which is something that I really love. This has become one of my favorite boxes, and the quality is so good for the price. So the box is $40 a month, but if you increase how many months you prepay, so you could prepay up to 12 months, you can bring that down to as low as $33 a month. And you usually get 3 or 4 items in every single box. So even if you were to do the full price at $40, that's still like a little bit over $13 an item, and these items are pretty much well worth $13. I am an affiliate for the box. I would never become an affiliate for a company that I wouldn't spend my own money on and that I wouldn't really believe in. So I do believe in what they stand for as a business just in general, and I do believe in the quality of their products. Like, everything is good quality. So you can use my affiliate code if you want a discount. That discount would be 50% off of your first box if you get a subscription with 3 months or more. And that discount code is just one word, EverythingProof. I'll link it down below and I'll also post it in the description and comments. I'm gonna set it on the ground. Typically I have it up here with me, but I just don't think that I'll be able to handle that. So I'm gonna set it on the ground in front of me. So like I said, you are supporting artisans around the world. They're here part of the Fair Trade Federation, and they give you a little bit of info for each of the artisans that created the items in your box, which I just think is just such a personal touch that actually made me fall in love with the box. So I always thought this box is great, has a great mission, I believe in their mission, but then I got my first box and I saw these cute little things, and at first I didn't even believe, like, is this really the actual artisan? And then I read the stories and it is the artisan creating my items. So I love that so much. Such a great touch. Thank you, GlobeIn, for doing that. There's a little QR code here at the bottom. If you scan that QR code just by taking a picture with your cell phone, it should pop up the link, and then you can read more about each of these stories. For this particular box, I got the Bud box. Like I said, this box is for a green thumb. Let's start with this small white one. I'm sure all of this stuff is breakable, and I'm not gonna lie, I did kind of drop this box. Not hard, but we'll see how well everything is packed. So this first item, you would screw into the wall. There's a little hole right there for that. And is this gorgeous blue color, and it's like a little planter that would be up against the wall. And this item was created by Driss. I am not gonna be able to pronounce Driss' last name. I'm pretty sure I might not even be pronouncing Driss' first name correctly, but it is called a ceramic pocket wall planter, and this was created in Morocco. This says, meet Driss Khalifi. After dropping out of school at the age of 18, Driss joined his brother in 2002, ... So to find out the rest of his story, I actually have to scan the QR code, and it's gonna tell me about how he got into creating these type of ceramic products. So I do love having those stories. I don't always read them all here. Some of them are a little bit longer than others. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the color. It's kind of like a sea blue color, like a little bit of teal in it, but mostly blue. Really beautiful. So we're gonna set that here. Actually, let me move this. So we have another small box. There's one big, huge box, and hopefully this one is also still in one piece as well. So this is also blue. I do love blue. There's a lot of blue in my home. This blue is not the same. This is more of just like a royal blue color and has a little bit of white in it as well. That one has a little bit of green to it. But how pretty is this? There's a little spot inside for a tea candle, and let me move that. actually looks like I can remove it this way too. Okay, so you would put a little candle in here, and then this screws in, and you have like, this has got to be gorgeous when a candle's actually in it. If you see all this pretty print all the way around it, that's just stunning. It's literally beautiful. The inside's also gold. I didn't really show that, but the inside is gold, and you can see the gold peeking through in these little holes as well. So this one is made by Farzana Parveen. It's an indoor-outdoor tea light lantern. It says garden party on it, and it was created in India. It says Farzana Parveen, age 37, mother of 4 boys. So this is the artisan that you are supporting. Manager of her house and de facto cook at all family functions, is on top of all of that, ... And then it's probably going to talk about her small business creating these lanterns. It honestly does not get better than getting to go and read about their stories. I'm still leaving the biggest box for last, but we do have this little, I know what it is actually, because I remember, it is an herb marker. And this is made in India. It says fair trade, sustainable on it, delivering joy, empowering artists. And this is a blue pottery herb marker, and this was made by Prajapati. Also in India, it says meet Prajapati. He is a seasoned master blue potter with 45 years of experience who works in our partner Blue Pottery Studio. So I'm sorry if I'm butchering any of these names. I'm not good at pronouncing things, and some of these are difficult to pronounce, so apologize ahead of time. But this is super pretty. I'm gonna pull that off so I can show you the whole thing. And it looks like the theme of the entire box is blue, which is kind of the color that I love. So I have a lot of blue, yellow, and gray, and gold in my house. I just feel like all of these are gonna fit somewhere, either inside or outside my house. So I am really, really happy about that, but I did primarily get this because I was hoping that I would bring in a little bit of plant life into my home. So let's get the last one. This is gonna be kind of a cool item. I remember it well. It's in this big box that says fragile. Like I said in the beginning of this video, I did briefly drop my box on the ground. It was an accident, so I'm hoping everything in here is safe, but so far so good. And I'll be really sad if this one isn't, but it's definitely my own fault. I had a little bit of butterfingers. This is full of packing material, so hopefully she is safe in here, but give me a moment to get it all out so then I can actually show you the item. I mean, this is a lot, so that's great that they protected it this much. Okay, and the reveal of what I think is probably the cutest little pot ever. It's shaped like a llama, okay? So how cute is this? It's just a pot. It has a little draining hole right there, and it's just shaped like a cute little llama. I don't know. I fell in love with this, and this is the reason I picked the box. If you could not tell, I did save the best for last. I absolutely love everything that I got in the box, but this, first of all, it's heavy. And like I said, these are items of quality. Like, this is an item of quality. This is handmade by someone. Let's talk about that someone. So this is actually, it doesn't show a person. It's like a collective. So it's Core the Jute Workers, whitewashed terracotta llama planter from Bangladesh. And it says Core the Jute Works, a women's nonprofit and handcraft exporter, has manufactured and exported handmade products for the ... So again, I'd have to scan the QR code to give you more information, but it looks like this is made by a group of women. This is like, oh, this is heavy. This is heavy duty. I dropped this and it's still safe, which I am very surprised about, but they packed that with so much padding, like they were protecting her, and I was scared that I was not gonna have this llama. But you will see a plant in this llama. In fact, I might plant my little tree from my Goldie box. I might plant that in this planter and do a quick video for you guys on how to plant those trees and those seeds that you got. So this is my box. They do all kind of go together, but they're all very different. Like, if you look at the items, they're very, very different. They're different color blues, One's an herb marker, so if you wanted to put herbs in here, you could stick this herb marker in here and right here, like basil or whatever you have sitting in this pot. You could also do that with this pot, but this would have to be a smaller herb. I think this would be better just having like a cute little flower. And then your little tea light candle, which I will for sure use this with an actual candle because I feel like this is gonna have such a beautiful pattern. Whether I do it indoor or outdoor, I don't know yet, but this has got to have a gorgeous pattern. It truly doesn't get better than getting to support 4 different artisans around the world with fair wages for quality items that are just this stinking cute, like, right? So I'm so excited for this. I really feel like I'm gonna immediately end this video and then just go plant something in it. Like, that's how excited I am for it. Let me know in the comments what your favorite item was. As usual, with a box like this, what was your favorite item? I feel like the llama, I don't know. I'm partial to llama, so I feel like it's gonna get a lot of love in the comments, but let me know what your favorite item was down below. And if you are interested in GlobeIn, I will leave my link down below, as well as the code EverythingProof for 50% off of your first box for any subscription 3 months or more. That is an affiliate code. If you do not want to use affiliate codes, you can just go directly to their website, globein.com, and enter your information like that. You will not get the same discount, but you know, they always have just other discounts as well. Some people just don't feel comfortable using affiliate codes or links, and I completely understand that. Don't forget to list your favorite item in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!